Okay guys, we got a westbound double stacker this time. Locomotive number 2 is a EMD ST70M. Should have seen me flying out of my vehicle when I saw this thing coming. And they still got cars coming, rolling past MP 259. MP 259 is off to your left about another third of a mile, somewhere between a third of a mile and a half mile. And I'm looking down the line and I'm looking off to your left and it looks like we got a couple DPUs down the line. One of them's a Southern Pacific locomotive and the other's a fairly new Union Pacific locomotive.